Meaning of elderflower.
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 Elderflower. Elderflower refers to the blossom of the elder tree, which is a shrub-like tree native to Europe and parts of North America. The flowers are typically creamy white in color and have a delicate, floral aroma. They are commonly used in culinary preparations, such as cordials, teas, and desserts, and are prized for their subtly sweet and fragrant flavor. Elderflower is also believed to have medicinal properties and has been traditionally used to treat a variety of ailments such as colds, flu, and inflammation. Overall, elderflower is a versatile and aromatic ingredient that adds a uniquely floral note to many recipes.